In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split rooms on Zoom using breakout rooms, whether you're managing a large conference or just want to conduct smaller focused discussions. Zoom's breakout rooms are a fantastic feature to help you organize online gatherings efficiently. First, let's navigate to the Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to zoom.com. Once you're there, you're going to want to sign into your account. You can find the Sign In button conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your Zoom dashboard. Now that you're signed in, it's time to go to your meeting. This is where you'll set up the breakout rooms. Once you've navigated to your selected meeting, look towards the bottom of your Zoom window. Here, you'll see the More option. Click on this to reveal additional features and options available to you during a meeting. Among the options, you'll find Breakout Rooms. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Once you've entered the Breakout Rooms menu, the next step is to assign how many breakout rooms you'd like to create. Depending on the number of participants and the structure of your meeting, you can decide on just a few rooms or several to facilitate small group discussions. After deciding on the number of rooms, it's time to assign participants to each. Zoom provides a couple of convenient options for doing this. For a quick, hassle-free setup, you can click on Assign Automatically. This feature lets Zoom distribute participants evenly among the rooms. Once you've set everything up to your liking, you'll see the Create button. Clicking on this will finalize your breakout room setup. Congratulations, you've successfully created breakout rooms in Zoom. As the meeting host, you can pop in and out of rooms, join discussions, or provide assistance as needed. Remember, the breakout room feature is an excellent tool to enhance interaction and engagement during your meetings. Once the rooms are created, participants will receive a prompt to join their designated rooms. Encourage your participants to click Join promptly, as this allows your meeting to run smoothly. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can create breakout rooms on Zoom and take your virtual meetings to the next level. Whether for small group discussions or collaborative projects, using breakout rooms is a great way to make your meetings more organized and interactive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Zooming!